So here's the tactical survival kit. It does come in a plastic case. You clip onto your bag or wherever you would like to clip it onto. After opening it, we can see the emergency blanket that the kit comes with. It is 130 centimeters by 210. It does have this armband with a compass and a cool whistle. It also comes with a pen and a window breaker that you could also use for self-defense. Flint and steel, start a fire just in case you're stranded somewhere and you need some heat or to cook something. You have a knife, flashlight, some rope. We can also see that it has a bottle cap opener. It does have a spork just in case you need a meal. And here, there's another whistle. Here we can see that it comes with a spork. Put it out. It's also a bottle cap opener. Has a saw blade and a regular knife. Here we can see that it comes with a bottle holder. All I have to do is unclip it. Depending on the size, you could adjust it and it will grip on as you clip it back on. It does have a backpack clip and strap. Here we have this wire saw, just in case you have to cut down a tree branch to make fire. We do have some fishing pole that extends. See, that has the hook. It does have this pocket survival kit tool. Pretty cool. It has a saw blade, bottle cap opener, a knife end, another bottle cap opener, adjusting wrench, a ruler. So here it is. It's very compact. You can put into your wallet. It's not so bulky. We also have this carabiner with a screw on it. Overall, it's a pretty handy kit. Very compact. You can carry it around. Never know when you might need something. Here it is.